Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, now we go to problem 31. So 31, we have to write chemical equation, right? Describe the type of brine acid on limestone. Calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is the salt, the weak base. So we have this solids here, no, not weak base, solids. And we have calcium sulfate, it's also solid. And we have hydrocarbonic acid, right? So because this unstable, we use CO2 gas here, evaporate, and water, right? And then this equation. And B, let's see what do they ask us. If a limestone sculpture were treated to form a surface layer of calcium sulfate, would this help to slow down the effects of acid rains? Explain. Okay. And now you see the reaction we had. Acid sulfuric acid is strong acid, and carbonic acid is weak acid, and the reaction always favor to reduce weak base or strong base, a weak acid or weak base. So we have weak acid here. So the reaction always favor to from the left to the right. Then we say the reaction is favor to produce a weak acid, right? So it's always shift from the left to the right. And now, if you cover calcium carbonate with the calcium sulfate, so calcium sulfate will protect the surface of calcium carbonate, so the reaction cannot happen. And then we continue to write. It will protect CaCO3 from reacting with the sulfuric acid. And when you write equation, keep in mind the reaction always favor to produce weak base and weak acid. And then the always shift to the right. Now you cover the calcium carbonate, the limestone with the calcium sulfate. Of course, the reaction cannot happen.